that fun eyeliner could be this easy. Hi everyone! My name is Carrie, aka Glamonista08, here online, and I am bringing you guys a super easy but fun makeup tutorial and eye look for the summer season. We're playing with neutral eyeliners that are absolutely amazing, a little bit of glitter, some fun shimmery shadows, and of course the essentials you can get right here from Cosmetics. As I'm sure you know, graphic eyeliners, fun eyeliner looks, sparkly glittery looks, they're all super trendy for this season, especially with shows like Euphoria being in existence. They're super inspirational makeup wise. And so here's our little tutorial, and the two focused items that I'm going to be highlighting from Cosmetics include these two NYX Cosmetics eyeliners, but all of the other products that I'll be using in this eye look, you can get so many different options for these right from Cosmetics, so make sure to check out the website. So let's get into this eye tutorial. Starting off, you want to make sure that you have a really nice, smooth, neutral eye base. Prior to filming, all I did was fill in my brows, I put some concealer on my eyelid, and then I set it with powder. That's it, super simple. Next, you want to take your favorite dark matte neutral shadow. For me personally, during this time of year, I like warmer toned colors, and I still like a slightly softer eye even if I'm going for depth, so I chose a matte darker pink mauve shade, if I can describe it as correctly as possible. There are some amazing neutral eyeshadow palettes and single shadows that you can get from Cosmetics, so you can totally choose whichever shade works for you, but whatever shade you're using, I suggest applying this in your crease, focusing on that outer edge of the eye, and kind of extending it a little bit outwards to open your eye without extending it downwards, because that can make your eye look like it's downturned, and that's not what we want. And then once you have placed as much product as you want to just lightly define your eyes, you can choose a light matte shadow dependent on your skin complexion that will help to brighten, and use this for the brow bone highlight and to clean up any of the eyeshadow area that you might have overextended with. Next, take your favorite shimmery shade. This you can play around with, so it doesn't have to be in the same family. For me, I chose like a rose gold shimmer, but you can again choose a gold, a silver, whatever. And you just want to take your finger and pat this on. This will allow you to have a little bit more control of the product as far as the pigmentation of it going on your eyelid. And I just patted this on the center of the lid, blended into the crease, and then a little bit inward, but it doesn't have to be, you know, it doesn't have to be super profesh because you're using your fingers, and it just makes it all the more easier and such a quick eye look. This took me literally like 30 seconds. Now for the fun part, the liners. First, you're gonna go in with this amazing NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear Liner Stick. This is in their white shade. It is just called Pure White. They have a whole bunch of other shades on the Cosmetics website, so you can do this eye look if you want to add more color with any of the others, but I chose white since it's super neutral and always fun for the summer season. And you're just gonna create a really thick wing, and I really like this liner pencil because for one, you get so much pigment out of it and it's so easy to work with. I find that usually white liners are a hit or miss, and it's very hard to find something that's super pigmented. So going with a pencil versus a pen is already going to help you when it comes to getting opaque white liner. And with this, it glides on so smoothly and it's so easy to work with, and then it stays once it's set, so you don't have to worry about it budging. I cleaned this up with the edge of a Q-tip just to make sure that the liner was nice and sharp, and then I went ahead and also used this liner in my waterline to help open up the eyes. Anywhere that you put white is essentially going to draw more focus to that area and make it look bigger and bolder. So if you have larger eyes, you can skip this step, but if you have small eyes like me, totally go for this step. After that, I actually went in with a lash glue and applied it right over the white liner, and I made sure that this lash glue was clear because you don't want to take away from the white. And then you can go in with your favorite glitter, any glitter. There's so many options on Cosmetics. I'm just using a silver, like metallic-y based glitter, and these are large chunks, so it's almost like having like little mirrored effects, reflex on your liner. But you want to go in with that and just pat it on. And my one trick with glitter is that whenever you're applying it on over top of things like glue or glitter primer, use something like a Q-tip, because not only will it help you to pick up the glitter because of the fabric of the cotton, but it'll also just be much easier to kind of pat that over top of the glue. Once you have the right amount of glitter that you're looking for, you can go in with the second neutral perfect liner, and both of these liners are also good for everyday looks, so if you're not for the glitter graphic liner look, you should still try these. But this is the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner Pen, and this is a really great felt tip pen. You can get a thin line with this or a really thick one. So I use this to create a sharp inner corner in the eye, and then also to wing out and kind of better define the eye since we used a white liner. So another thing to note here is that when you're doing the white liner, make it a little thicker than you're used to, especially if you're gonna double line and use a black liner over top. After that, just go in with your favorite mascara, some lashes, and you're good. Like I said, this was an easy but fun eye look that gives your eyes a really nice, pretty shimmer for the summer season. Takes no time at all, but it looks like you did a lot of work. So go get your Euphoria eye on, and you can get the perfect eyeliners and all the rest of your perfect summer eye products right here from E Cosmetics.